let's discuss the functionality of this Create Automatic Campaign button under the Analytics menu. Usually, we recommend to set the auto campaign creation, which I will explain in the upcoming videos. From here, this advertising AI settings menu. This is a scheduled campaign creation automation actually that runs for either all products, or I can specifically select some of the products and would like to create a campaign for some of those. And also I can exclude some of the products. Maybe my customer does not want me to create a campaign for some selected agents. So this is the radio button that you should click. This basically the functionality of this auto campaign creation. Check the search term reports or check the Amazon's API and create campaign for the selected agents for like 7 days, 14 days, or for 30 days periods. Which means that if I select frequency as 30 days, I will explain this feature in next videos. As I mentioned, I would like to give some brief information about the automatic campaign creation module. If I select the frequency in 30 days, the system check every 30 days the search term reports and check the converted search terms and make sure that this converted search term is actively targeting for the exact or phrase match. If it's not, the system create a campaign, automatically generated campaign for those converted search terms actually. So this is the scheduled version. If I would like to create for one time campaign for some specific agents, I should click the Create Automatic Campaign button in the Analytics page. And before I start again, I can add, let me continue with this agent. I can add some agents. So as you can see, if I select this agent, I can basically see the all active SKUs. And for that one, which one has the available or inbound inventory, I can basically see the all campaigns that this product is the advertised product in that campaign actually. If it's orange, again, it's paused. The campaign is paused. If it's active, the campaign is active, but I'm not so sure whether this product is actively running in that campaign, but I'm pretty sure that those campaign has this advertised product. I can, for example, if I don't want to include all of these SKUs to my campaign, I can delete some of them. I will basically deleting the SKUs that does not have available stock because it's meaningless. Yeah. So let's assume that I am planning to create some campaigns for this agent. So if I select Sponsored Product Auto-Targeting section, I should also give the daily budget. The total daily budget means if I select multiple campaigns, the system divide this total daily budget according to the importance of this campaign types. The system has it. Let's assume that I have $100 budget for only one-time created campaigns, and I select only Sponsored Product Auto-Targeting option. So if I select this one and run, the system is going to create an auto campaign for this agent with $100 daily budget, unless the account does not have any auto campaign for this agent. Otherwise, it's not working actually, because we don't want to cannibalize the existing campaigns. We don't want to repeat the campaigns. This is the one-time action, as I mentioned. So if I select Sponsored Product Performance Keyword Targeting Campaign type, but if the naming contains performance, which means that these are the converted search terms. If account has, for this ASIN, if account has some converted search terms that bring conversion and have some higher conversion rates, it checks different kind of metrics and select converted search terms and keep these converted search terms in the queue and check whether the account has an exact match version of this search terms for that ASIN actually. Again, we are avoiding the cannibalization. So if I select this campaign type, the system create $100 daily budget campaigns, but it's also like collect the keywords, the potential keywords in that case, in group with 10. Which means that we don't want to add a lot of targets under one single campaign. We divided to the campaign per, each campaign have maximum 10 targets. Otherwise, again, sometimes the daily budget, is too low, and we want to give a chance to perform for each target actually. So system group the converted search terms, and the account does not have that search terms, obviously, as a keyword, and group them with a 10 and create campaigns. So if there are, for example, 15 keywords, the potential keyword in that case in the search term report that bring conversion and account does not have, system create campaigns for those 15 converted search terms. System create 2 campaigns actually. So which means that total daily budget is divided by 2, and one campaign get $50 daily budget and the other one get a $50 daily budget with 5 search terms. And unfortunately right now we don't feed the existing campaigns with new target, but we are planning to because we are expecting to, if one campaign has 5 targets, for example, we should feed that campaign every time we get more converted search terms that account does not have, which means that we should add the 6th or 7th in the upcoming rounds. But system is not able to do it right now. But this is the plan, because otherwise we create a lot of campaigns for basically sometimes, since we don't have the search volume of the keywords, right now Amazon doesn't give this information to us from the APIs. We might add the keywords has a low search volume for within the same campaign, and this campaigns, due to low search volume, this campaign does not have any impression or click, etc., etc. So it's always useful for us to consider that kind of things in the future to create a better campaign structure actually. The performance product targeting, on the other hand, as you can see, the product means its system check the search term report and try to find the opportunities in the product that my competitor had, and created those converted products a campaign. And I also would like to give you some information about this toggle, exclude branded keywords toggle. So if I select exclude branded keywords, and if I also select any of the keyword targeting campaign for sponsored product, let's see, we would like this lab. If I select exclude branded keywords, I need to duplicate this page to show this to you. System check the search terms. Let's assume that this is the Eva.guru account. In the AI setting page, there is this branded keyword list section. If I type here my brand names, which is Eva.guru in that case, the system check the search term, and if the search term has like air grills on it as a term, if my selection is exclude branded keywords, the system does not create campaign for that converted search term since they have the brand name on it. And they usually tends to convert better than the other, the generic keywords or any other type of keywords, because they belong to my brand, and I should consider creating different campaigns with different budgets, different biddings for that branded keyword. So that's why this toggle is here. And right now, our system does not capable to create a campaign for branded keywords, but it should be in the future, because this is also important for us to create better advertising strategies, especially if we want to increase our brand awareness. We definitely make our AI enable our AI to create brand-related keywords campaigns, actually. Again, the performance, if the naming contains performance, the system check the search term report. It use my existing data, actually. But if there is the research on it, research keyword targeting, research product targeting, these potential keyword comes from the Amazon's API. It's basically you can probably see, like, let me go campaign manager. What was my ASIN? The Amazon basically offer us some search terms, keywords for the selected products. Let's say in that case, that one. And probably you can see this in the suggested section. There are some keywords sort by orders. We also use that one. There are some recommended search terms. So if you select the research keyword targeting, our system check the Amazon's API and try to find any missing opportunities that Amazon share with us as a keyword targeting suggestion. The product targeting is also done the same thing. So if I select product targeting, Amazon also suggests me some product which is related to my ASIN. The system add those competitors' ASIN, not mine, to the sponsored product, research product targeting campaigns. We also have, as you can see, the product targeting defense campaign option. The system checked the search term report and try to identify the like, for example, try to identify the product that I have that's related with my advertised product, and it's also create a defense campaign for that ASIN in order to increase the cross-sell or maybe upsell. And for the sponsored product, we have 6 options, and for display, it's basically the same. Display product targeting, the performance product targeting, converted product that belongs to this campaign. We also create a campaign for that targets the converted competitors' ASIN for sponsored display campaign. And in the sponsored display product targeting defense option, it uses the same target with the target the sponsored product. And for sponsored display audience targeting, we create views remarketing and purchase remarketing if necessary. Automatically create those campaigns for that ASIN, actually. And as you can see right now, there is not clickable area for the sponsored brand video, because since, it requires the video upload process, since we don't have it right now, but we will in the future, it's not clickable, and it's actually one of our feature improvement in that campaign, automatic campaign creation model. if I create run button and if I select again multiple campaigns, according to the potential campaign numbers, the amount of the potential campaigns, that my total daily budget threshold divided by that potential campaign number. And sometimes if I have a lot of opportunities, I might not have enough daily budget to create actually. So it's important for us to set higher daily budget amount as initial setup actually. Maybe later on you can update the campaign daily budget according to the performance.